Hello everyone, now we will revise our unit number 5 which is stability analysis. So here for doing the stability analysis we have three methods: Routh-Hurwitz, Bode plot and root locus. So first of all we will see the Routh-Hurwitz numerical. So here the question is we have to find out the range of k so that our system is stable. Okay, and we are having one characteristics equation which is s cube plus 13s square plus 30s plus alpha equal to 0. So first of all by Routh-Hurwitz we have to form this type of table. So here we have to write the highest power which is s cube, then s square and s raised to power 1 and lastly s raised to power 0. Now we have to fill up this table we have to take the coefficients. First you take this coefficient which is 1, then you take this coefficient which is 30. After that there is no term, so here it will be 0. Now next, to fill up the elements in s raised to power 2, take this element 13 and then again skip one element. After that next element is alpha, so 13 and alpha. Now do the multiplication, but it is opposite of the determinant. Okay, you have to do the multiplication but opposite of the, like we do in a determinant, so opposite of that we have to do. So first of all 13 into 30, so here element will be 13 into 30 minus alpha into 1, so it becomes alpha divided by this term, so which is nothing but 13. Here 13 into 0, here nothing is there, that means 0, so here element will be 0. Okay, after that last element, once again we will repeat this term. 13 into what is that, 390. This one is 13 into 30 is 390 minus alpha upon 13. I am just writing it in a simplified way, so this is nothing but 390 minus alpha upon 13. Okay, now once again you have to multiply this, so alpha times 390 minus alpha, 390 minus alpha divided by 13 whole divided by this. As you can see here nothing is there, that means 0, so 0 into 13 0 minus 0 divided by this term, so this term is 390 minus alpha upon 13. So as you can see this term and 13 get cancelled, so remaining value is simply alpha. So what is the simplified form of our table? This is the simplified form of our table. I will write here s cube s square s raised to power 1 s raised to power 0 1 30 13 alpha 390 minus alpha 0, sorry, divided by 13 and here it is alpha. Okay, so what is the Routh criteria? The first column elements must be positive, then only the system will be stable. So please write the first column element must be positive. First column element must be positive, then only system will be stable. System will be stable. So positive means what? So this term must be greater than 0. So 1 is greater than 0, 13 is greater than 0, but this term 390 minus alpha upon 13, this must be greater than 0. So we get two conditions: 390 minus alpha upon 13 greater than 0, and second is this alpha. This alpha should also be greater than 0. So this is how we are finding out the range. Now to become this term greater than 0, so 390 minus alpha must be greater than 0. So alpha can go to that side. So 390 is greater than alpha, or you can say that alpha is less than 390, and second condition here we got alpha greater than 0. So if I combine these two conditions, overall I will get 0, alpha is greater than 0 but less than 390, then only the system will be stable. System will be stable. So this is the range in which the system will be stable. Now next we have to, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of alpha so that the system have sustained oscillation, or it is nothing but marginal stable. Okay, so now you can see that if I put alpha equal to 390, so always this is the value you have to see, alpha equal to 390. Even if you are getting the range in some of the numerical, suppose you get the range 0 less than alpha less than 50, so you have to take alpha equal to 50, and then again you can do further analysis. So if alpha is 390, then what will happen? See here, if my alpha is 390, so what is happening here? 390 minus 390, that becomes 0. So what I am getting here? 0. If I put alpha equal to 390, then I am getting here 0. So basically it is what? Row of 0. Row of 0. So whenever we get row of 0, in that case we have sustained oscillation. So for alpha equal to 390, what we are getting? We get row of zeros. So whenever we have row of 0, system is marginal stable, or other word is sustained. System has sustained oscillations. Okay, thank you.